Hey guys, welcome to another simple salsa tutorial for beginners. You're gonna love this move. Click subscribe here for more free salsa tutorials. Get your dance shoes ready and let's go. All right guys, we got another pattern for beginners. This is a simple, easy pattern. Let's jump right into it. Basic step, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. I'm going to show the hand on one, hand up, and then she's going to come in, girls, and you're going to twist slightly to your right. 1, 2. Slight twist of the body. Look at her shoulder, how now it used to be here, parallel facing me. You're going to come in with your left shoulder. You're going to let that the fact that you're shifting your shoulders is going to apply a little tension here in the arms, which is going to wind you up to do a left turn. 5, 6, 7. Okay, let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. Show the hand. 5, 6, 7. Basic step. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Immediately, right away, walk through. This is what it looks like. 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. Girls, just take 3 steps going forward. Keep your elbows down. Walk straight. Do not duck. Don't do this. Don't duck under the hand. Keep your head up straight. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Man, all you're doing is pulling her forward. Pull her forward in a straight line. Lift up the hand on 1. So you're going 1, 2, 3. 5, 6, 7. You lift up the hand, keep it on the outside of her face. Don't bring the hand in because it's gonna make her think that you want her to turn to her left. Keep it straight. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. The walk through. And 5, 6, 7. And to finish it off, let's do it from the top. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3. I'm going to catch her, cross body lead. 5, 6, 7. Okay? Let's do it again. 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. High 5 left turn. Walk through. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, and 5, 6, 7. There you go, guys. That's the pattern. Let's do it with music. Hey guys, awesome job for watching all the way to the end of the video. 2 thumbs up for you. And if you like this video, subscribe here for more free salsa content. If you have any questions, if you are struggling with anything related to your salsa dancing, leave me a comment down below and we'll make sure to get a video out for you to tackle and answer all your questions. Hope you enjoyed the video. See you soon.